This is meteorologist Eric Tallman with our severe weather outlook for the South once again, and we're going to tell you all the areas that are going to get hit with severe weather. But let's go ahead and take you flying down over here. Down in the South is where we're really going to be focused on the severe weather potential. We'll probably be getting a lot of breaking news reports, if any. We'll kind of detail that in just a little bit. So we have a lot of work to do today. Between today and tomorrow is going to be a very busy day, but for us in southeast lower Michigan, severe weather is not anticipated at this time. We're not expected any severe weather, but we will be expecting rain and possibly some thunderstorms. We'll talk about that coming up after this. So this is what we have going on. Marginal risk number one, that will be a possibility wherever you see it shaded in the darker green. That's marginal risk, isolated severe storms. Category number two, slight risk in yellow. Category number three, enhanced risk. That's all in orange. Wherever you see it highlighted in orange, those are the areas that are going to be affected with severe weather. And then we have category number four, moderate risk for severe storms. And then we have a very high potential of severe weather that could break out right here in this general area that's highlighted in purple. So please stay tuned with us. We'll have more details to tomorrow's forecast and much more. And then on top of that, we'll also have some general thunderstorms, non-severe, along with it. And then this system that is going to be developing the severe weather once again for the South is going to be pushing towards the Northeast again. We're going to let you know which areas are going to get hit for April the 4th. And these are the forecast models for April the 3rd, 2017 at 8 o'clock. Stay tuned for forecast models for April the 4th coming up next. We'll be right back. Yes, I know a lot of you guys are saying, why has the severe weather been so active? Well, those are questions and answers I'll have to answer at a later time. So these are the severe weather forecast models for April the 4th, 2017 at 8 o'clock in the morning. So you can see all along here there's a good portion that is going to see a marginal risk of severe weather along here. Wherever you see it in the darker green, we'll see the marginal risk. That is category 1. We have category number 2, that is slight risk for severe weather. That's category number 2. We have category number 3, enhanced risk, highlighted in orange right there. And then we have category number 4, moderate risk for severe weather. That's category number 4, but we don't have a 5. We'll kind of keep an eye on that. And then along with it, there'll be chances of thunderstorms that could develop all along in the lighter shaded green area. And then for us in southeast lower Michigan, we could see some thunderstorms as well. But they're not going to reach severe limits. All the severe weather is going to stay further to the south. So that wraps this forecast up. Stay tuned for other models coming up, and then we're going to tell you the tornado probability for the south and much more coming up after this. Stay tuned. We'll be